Prepare hot. Okay, we finally actually get to start building. Yay! For this task, we're going to need the following components. Looks like we're going to do the hot end first. Probably because we have to do the RTV and it takes a while to dry. I couldn't find at the local Walmart the ultra copper, but according to the forums, this right here, the red high temp stuff, will work just as well. It just doesn't handle quite as high a temperature, but we're still up to 650 degrees Fahrenheit or 343 degrees Celsius, which is more than enough to do any kind of ABS. However, it's not enough to do some of the other exotic stuff, but that is perfectly okay because that's why I have the E3D hot end. I'm not planning on using the stock hot end for that kind of material, so we should be good. All right. So we need that hot end pack. What did I do with the hot end pack? Get this glass to where I'm not going to break it. There we go. I also need the RTV sealant. Got that. Both heating resistors and the temperature sensor or thermistor in place. These are the heating resistors and the thermistor. Why am I not seeing the thermistor? It must be in here somewhere, or packaged a little funky. I don't know which. Oh, there it is. Oh, that is tiny. And there's your Bowden. There's your heating resistors. Some sort of crimping thingies. Oops. Tiny. There's the top of the Bowden, and here's the bottom. Nice. Okay. Put the acrylic parts back in the box and set it aside. Use this soon. Okay, back to the ball game here. Found some tools and had like a call and all kinds of weird stuff happening in the last 15 minutes. But this is the important thing. Anyway, let's get back onto this. So, supposed to, perfect, 3/8. Supposed to tighten this bad boy. And I kind of like these guys because you can adjust them to be perfect. All kinds of crap on these. Okay, and yes, they did need to be tightened. That's now way better. Let's put this back where it belongs. Okay, for this step, you will need parts out of your hot end pack. This includes the hot end itself, 2 resistors, tiny pack with thermistor and its PTFE tubing, this guy. Start by coating each heating resistor with the RTV as shown, right? We're going to have to get something to plop these things into as well. Hey, I remember that box had some foam in it. Let's find that. All right. This should work. And then we could stand things up in here and not have to worry about it falling off. Okay, so it's showing in the instructions. Take the goop and cut a little diagonal in here. And I got plenty on my hands, so that's awesome. Now I need a, ooh, that smells horrid. These paper towels. Be right back.